Good day everyone, so today we're going to discuss quarter 1 module 2 problem solving by using extracting the roots. Scarlett has a piece of cloth whose area is 400 inches square. What is the length of the sides of the largest square that can be formed using the cloth? Let S be the length of sides of the largest square that can be formed using the cloth. Next, we have the given that the area of a cloth is equal to 400 inches square. Now, the area of a square is equal to S squared, where A stands for area and S stands for sides or the length of the sides. Now, substitute natin yung given, we have here 400 is equal to S squared. And to find the length of the sides of the largest square that can be formed using the cloth, we're going to use square root property. So apply square root on both sides of the equation. So we have here S is equal to positive, negative. So ano yung dalawang parehas na number na kapag multiply mo, ang sagot ay 400. So that is 20. Therefore, the length of the sides of the largest square that can be formed using the cloth is 20 inches. Okay, item number 2, Kyle has to use oil paint that can cover 32 centimeters square. If he is going to paint a square frame, what is the length of the largest frame that he can paint? So let S be the length of the largest frame that he can paint. Next, we have here the area, which is 32 centimeter square. And we have an equation that the area of the square is represented by A is equals to S squared. Now let's substitute the given. We have here A is 32 is equal to S squared. Apply square root property to find the length of the largest frame that he can paint. Apply square root property on both sides of the equation. So we have here S is equal to positive, negative. Take note that 32 is not a perfect square. So we need to do prime factorization. So, kailangan mo dalawang factor. Yung isang factor is the greatest perfect square that can divide 32 and a non-perfect square. So, we have here the list of perfect square. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. So, take note, 32 to. So, yung factors niya is not more than 32. So, eliminated na agad. Ito. Then, highest perfect square. So, the highest perfect square that can divide 32 is 16. So, 32 divided by 16 is 2. Therefore, the factors of square root of 32 are square root of 16 times square root of 2. Now, copy natin yung given. Plus minus square root of 16 times square root of 2 is equal to S. Now, plus minus, ano yung dalawang magkaparehas na number na kapag multiply mo, ang product ay 16, and that is 4. Next, anong dalawang parehas na number na kapag multiply mo, ang sagot ay 2. So, wala. So, copy square root of the length of the largest frame that Kyle can paint is 4 square root of 2 centimeters. Therefore, the length of the largest frame that Kyle can paint is 4 square root of 2 or approximately 5.66 centimeters.